Welcome back, guys. Today we have a Z1000 2014, and what needs to happen is we're going to decat this one as well, like we did on my bike.
But this one is a little bit easier.
Is it easier?
Because we have this motherfucker. Nice and shiny.
So we don't have to weld anything.
Nope.
That's good.
Only measure and cut and bolt stuff.
If you're a little handy, like this guy, he has two of them.
You can do
Anything. You can straight pipe any bike,
straight pipe everything.
which is cheaper than getting a straight pipe full system. So that's what we're doing. Akrapovich exhaust. How much do you think this one cost? 800 euros? Maybe for one? I don't know if these come in a set.
I think it's around 400 euros maybe.
The only thing you get is, here you go, the hollow pipe.
Yo soy un hombre sincero.
With the brand name on it. 800 euros, this is the logo.
Do you know why I'm writing over the tape?
Yes.
Why?
So you get a nice fine line! Straight line.
Yes.
What does these mean? Is it because we are bikers and we tend to die when riding?
Maniacs. Every time I open up the throttle, I'm thinking of these guys.
These guys remind us to behave.
Yep.
In my opinion, it's a bit too loud, but hey, everyone's got their own taste. And these exhaust pipes don't have decibel killers on them as well, so they're even louder than normal. But yeah, this has been the decat of the Z1000 2014.